Hey everyone, today in this quick tutorial we're going to be looking at how we can easily save space on your PC or laptop without deleting any of your personal files. For example, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing my drive. In here you can see it's 35.9 GB free. Consider in your case there is no amount of free space here. If you want to free some space without deleting any of the personal files, what you can do is come to your home screen and press the Window key plus R. And now this will open up this run window. If you can't do this, what you can do is go into a search bar and type in run. And now you can see this thing. Try to open it. And this trick works on every Windows version. So you have to type in this one, percentage temp, percentage, and click on OK. And now this will open up this folder. Okay, so this has a lot of files here. What you can do is click on Control and A. And now we can delete this one. I'll click on Shift plus Delete so that it doesn't go to the recycle bin, and I'll click on Yes. By deleting these files, none of the applications or anything is going to be affected. So I will just click on to this for all current items and click on Skip. Now let's just wait for it to be completed. Okay, now these files can't be deleted, so we will just leave it like that. These are like small MB files, so we will just leave it like that. And what you have to do next is do the same thing. You have to click on the Window key plus R again, and now we'll have to do is type in temp and click on enter. And to say you don't have permission, I'll just click on continue and type in my password. Okay, now this one, it also has a lot of folders here. These are all temporary folders, and these are safe to be deleted. So what you can do is click on Control A again and click on Shift plus Delete so that the files are not stored in the recycle bin. And I will click on Yes, and I'll click on this and click on Skip. Okay, as you can see now, we have almost 2 to 3 GBs of free space again on this drive without deleting any of the personal files or anything. So what you deleted was like some temporary files that the applications or Windows has been storing on your PC, which are completely safe to be deleted. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.